Capricorn rising, Capricorn moon. This month is all about the other. For the past few months, you've been focusing on your goals, your aspirations, your health, your daily grind. Now, this is the month where you are being asked to look across the table at the other people. The universe is forcing you into an area where you have to build bridges, sign contracts, and elevate your closest relationships. You know why? Because uh, the massive concentration of planets, Jupiter, Venus, Mercury, and Sun, is moving into your seventh house. Seventh house is that area of your chart which is about committed relationships, marriage, business partnership, client legal contracts. Jupiter is exalted in Cancer, seventh house. This is one of the most fortunate transits for your seventh house. Your relationships in over a decade. If you are single, this brings highly aligned, supportive, and expansive new people into your life. If you're coupled, it brings a sense of bonding, a sense of joy, growth, mutual thriving. Business wise, this is a peak time to attract high value clients. Now, Venus moves into Cancer on the 1st of July and Mercury on the 2nd. So, harmony and open communication flood your partnership. You, if you need to negotiate a contract, smooth over a misunderstanding, or tell someone how you feel, the words will flow effortlessly. But one warning, be sure to finalize any contract, business agreement, license, marriage license also before the final week of July, because that is the time Mercury slows down because it's going retrograde in August. The Sun enters Cancer on July 16th, making a seventh house stellium. You're highly visible to others right now. Your success this month comes through collaboration rather than flying solo. Lean on your partners, delegate, allow yourself to be supported. Let's take a look at another transit this month. Saturn is going retrograde on July 27th. So, where is Saturn? Saturn is in your third house, the house of communication, mindset, siblings, local community. Saturn's message to Capricorn this month is quality over quantity when it comes to your words and thoughts. So, be very economical with what you say. Look how you communicate. If you're too rigid or perhaps taking on too much in your local community, take a step back, review. Do you really need to do this? And use the end of the month retrograde to review your contracts, back up your digital data, rethink how your structure, your daily commute is going. And you can also use this time to reconnect with a sibling and sit down with a neighbor to clear the air. Now let's take another look at Mars, which is the other transit that's happening this month. Mars is moving to the 10th house of Libra. That is your profession. So your professional ambition is going to skyrocket. You will have a massive burst of energy to crush your career goals, to take on leadership roles, to launch a new business endeavor. You're highly motivated to be seen and recognized for your hard work. The warning and Mars always comes with a warning, is 10th house makes you a bit aggressive. You can be impatient with authority figures, bosses, clients. Channel this fiery energy into working, outworking everyone else, not to build walls, build bridges instead. To summarize July 2026 energy, I would say the three words are partner, amplify, review. Focus on building deep, mutual, beneficial relationships, both in love and business. Your partnerships forged right now can be very long lasting. Amplify, channel your high octane drive into your career, your public status. Hit the major milestones. Review, slow down your mind, organize your thoughts, ensure your communication style is building bridges rather than walls. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time,